Simplicity, effectiveness, high win rate. That's all you need for a good strategy. Luckily for you, I'm going to be teaching you one today. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be trading the OTC markets. This is a gold mine if you know exactly what you're doing. With the right strategy, you can make more profits than usual. I'm going to be teaching one today during my trading session. Make sure to stick around so you can properly understand it. Let's get into it. Let's get started guys. So like usual, I've already analyzed, all the currency pairs that we're going to be using today for the most optimal movement patterns. And as you can see, all the currency pairs that I selected have the OTC status. And we also have some stock quotes included in our chart. And this option just basically provides more opportunities to earn more, even with the same number of open trades. Also, all the currency pairs that I selected have high percentage payout, so more than 90%. And I really want to take advantage of this opportunity on weekends, guys. So these are the advantages of taking trades on the OTC market, basically. And anytime I'm trading with the OTC markets, I always follow the trend. And that's why I have two trend indicators selected. So I have my alligator and my fractal, and these indicators I'm going to be using them in their default settings alongside the CCI oscillator, which is going to be set to a period of 10. Okay guys, and we're going to be monitoring the overbought and oversold areas. We'll track the alligator's moving lines. We'll also look for pullbacks in the trend, and I'm going to be observing the formation of new local highs and lows. So basically, I'm just going to be using all these indicators together to get the best quality trades. Okay, let's start our trades with $300, which is, half of my balance. And I'm going to be opening each of my trades on the 1 minute time frame. So let's choose the first currency pair.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so I just took my first trade, which is a long, and it's actually based on the current price dynamics. So previously we had a downward trend, which was followed by, several updates to the local minimum in this zone. You can see that over there, and after that we can see the price turned around, and I'm expecting a possible reversal of the general trend. Also, if we see over here, the alligators moving lines also crossed and they're heading upwards, which is a sign of upward momentum. And after this pullback, a local minimum was also formed along the fractal. So I'm expecting a local maximum as well. I really believe that the future movement will continue to go up. Sweet guys, okay, so our first trade is in a profit as usual. You know how we do it in this channel. And that's a good start. Good entry level, and we're in profit. Let's take the next currency pair and continue trading. Okay guys, so here we opened a trade against the trend for this one because the entry was really good. I didn't want to miss it. So even if there's a strong upward trend, we can see that this resistance area has been broken through, and we can also see that a new local maximum has been updated. So if we check the moving line and the overbought area, we can also see that it's indicating overbought, which is a sign to go short. And that's why I took a sell on this trade, guys. Sweet guys, okay, so our second trade closes in profit. We're on a street, guys. So it's really simple. So the formation of the maximum occurred, The fractal showed me that actually, and I took advantage of the 1 minute price pullback to time the trade. So that's how we took that trade, guys. Let's stick to the analysis. Choose the next currency pair, and we'll still be taking on $300 per trade. Okay, guys, so we just took our next trade and we opened this one following the current trend dynamics. So previously, if you notice, there was a downward trend, and after the update of the global price minimum in this area, the trend reversed and rushed upward. So we opened the trade according to the trend is the best solution here, because we need to catch the pullback. And in my case, I think this pullback represented by these two candles should be sufficient. So the future movement should continue upward. Let's see the result. And the third trade closes in profit, guys. We're on a streak. We're on a streak. This is good. So even though we had like a pullback candle appearing in red, because of the good timing that we had for that trade, we're still able to be successful. We entered exactly at the right time, and we're in profit because of that. So I'm going to keep on using $300 per trade, and I will choose the next currency pair.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, guys, we just took another trade, and for this one, we took a short. Actually, guys, looking back, it might have been a bit better to take a long for this one, because I just noticed a local maximum update on the fractal, and the moving lines are actually still pointing downward. So the only hesitation that I had was that the moving line on the oscillator is still heading toward the overbought area. But still, maybe I should have waited until this moving line intersected with that area before I opened the trade. To be honest, guys, I actually acted a bit too quickly. I'm a bit skeptic about this one. I'm not sure, to be honest, but let's see how it closes in. Are you kidding me, guys? We still made a profit just at the last second, guys. At the last second. I don't know what to say. Maybe the trend was stronger in this situation. We were just lucky, I guess. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. So it's a bit similar to the trade I opened before, just that in the previous trade I opened for a long, and here I opened for a short, and we just got lucky, to be honest, because the analysis was not entirely correct. I acted a bit too quickly. Let me know what you guys think as well. I have no idea what just happened. Okay, guys, I just took another trade, and this is not a bad entry point, actually. So as we see, this section of movement is similar to the previous one, and we can see the trend was downward and the local minimum was updated, and then the movement rushed upward. We have a similar situation here with an opening against the trend, and my signal is indicating an exit from the overbought area on the oscillator. Let's see what happens, guys. Ah, shit, guys. I was a bit unlucky for this one. Yeah. So the trend turned out to be stronger, and this section of movement should have been seen as a pullback. So a new local minimum is forming again at the new price level. So we have one loss, guys. I guess we're lucky on the previous one, and now we're lucky in this one. You know, we can't cheat the markets. Anyways, it's still a good run so far. I'm just gonna take our last trade and we can consolidate our results for today. Let's move with the next currency pair. Okay, so for this one, I opened a long trade, and actually there's no obvious trend. As you can see, the market is kind of flat, and so I'm focusing entirely on the alligator. There are multiple touch points in this area, as you can see. We can also see that the breakout is a chord and it's forming a local minimum several levels higher. So after this pullback, we can expect a better downward momentum. And this breakout is also suggesting that the price will most likely go up. So the alligator's moving lines have intersected, as we can see. Let's see the result, guys. Sweet, guys. Okay, so we closed in another profit. Excellent. Right timing and maybe a bit of luck, but we're able to close our last trade in profit as well. So there was an update to the local maximum and the movement dynamics followed downward. To be honest, this was a bit risky, you know, because the market was also flat and we wanted to follow the trend. So this kind of trades I wouldn't recommend a beginner trader to do, since, you know, it was a flat market like I said earlier. But still we're able to make a profit. Let's go over to withdraw, guys. Today's profit is amounting to $1,400. And the withdrawal operation has been successful. If you have any questions, make sure to drop it in the comments below. I'll make sure to help you as much as I can. Also, I'm going to leave my Telegram channel, the link down below, and I'm posting free signals over there. Make sure to check it out if you're just starting out. Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.